Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best secret removable drawer out there, the TuTuShop under table drawer. If you've ever struggled with a cluttered desk or needed extra storage without sacrificing your workspace, this clever little organizer might be exactly what you need. This under table drawer is designed to be hidden from plain sight, mounting discreetly beneath your desk with a strong self-adhesive backing. Installation is straightforward. Simply clean the surface where you want to attach it, peel off the protective layer, and press it firmly in place. Within 24 hours, it's ready to hold your essentials. The result is a neat, tidy workspace without the bulk of traditional drawers. Made from durable, lead-free ABS plastic, this organizer promises to stand up to daily use, with its sturdy build designed to resist wear and tear from repeated opening and closing. Its compact size measures approximately 8.7 inches in length, 3.5 inches in depth, and just over an inch in height. Perfect for storing small items without taking up any visible space on your desktop. What makes this drawer truly versatile is its wide range of potential uses. Whether you want to stow pens, pencils, rulers, scissors, adapters, or even small tech accessories like headphones and mobile phones, this drawer offers a discreet storage solution. It's not just for office supplies either, it can also be used in classrooms, kitchens, or craft areas to keep frequently used items within reach but out of the way. One of the most appealing features is how it keeps your desk clutter-free while providing quick access to your items. Because it mounts underneath, it remains out of your line of sight, which not only improves the aesthetic of your workspace but also adds a layer of privacy for your belongings. The self-adhesive installation means no tools or complicated assembly, making it an ideal choice for renters or anyone who prefers not to drill holes in their furniture. Just make sure to stick it on a smooth, clean surface for the best adhesion. The drawer holds up to about 1 kilogram, so while it's not meant for heavy items, it's more than capable of handling everyday essentials. Its sleek gray finish fits well in most modern environments without drawing attention. In summary, the TuTuShop under table drawer offers a smart, simple way to maximize your workspace efficiency by freeing up your desktop and keeping your small essentials organized and hidden. Whether you're working from home, at the office, or organizing your study space, this little drawer is a practical addition that combines convenience with discretion. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful product breakdowns. See you next time.